Here we go. We're live.
Back to back.
Back to back. Going from football to basketball. Let's get it. What up, Card Coins? Dylan, how you doing, man? Good to see you. Hell of a break right now, brother. MJ, what up? Pat, how you doing? Welcome, welcome. Let's get some more people in the room. Trey Grimm, what up, man? Telling everyone about that. Oh my God, I've never seen that many tools pulled in one sitting. No joke. All we needed was a one of one, and it would have been a solid night. But nah, it was crazy, man. Seriously. That's just how this goes. Sometimes it's your night, and other times you strike out. But that's what makes this hobby so fun.
A little bit of a gamble.
Always gambling. Got the hot hand. Yeah, I got a hot hand tonight. So let's pass that on over to some Panini Prizm. Super excited to open up this product. And yeah, let's get some fire going on over here as well. Let's get some more people in the room. Come on. We're at 7 right now. But how y'all doing, man? Like, what time is it for you guys? It's only 10 p.m. for me, but I know for some of you it's a bit late, but yeah, man, hoping for a big year for sure. I think a lot of people are quick to jump the gun and make speculations, but when you're a fan and you ride the wave. 11 in Iowa? Okay. Midnight? All right. Sorry to keep you guys up a little bit late, but how are you going to go to sleep when you got 10 blasters ahead of you? Can't. You can't. How's it going, Braver? Welcome. Thank you for joining us. All right. I think I'm going to get it going, guys. All right. We'll do a quick rundown of the teams and tell you who has what. So we're starting off with the Hawks going to Kareem T. Celtics, Brooke F. Nets, Allen T. Hornets, Kayla K. Bulls, Brooke F. Cavaliers, Brooke F. Mavs, Stephen P. Nuggets, Brooke F. Pistons, Isaac L. Warriors, Brooke F. Rockets, James M. Pacers, Brendan O. Clippers, Justin R. Lakers, Fang T. Grizzlies, Ryan T. Heat, Brendan O. Got Bucks, Jeff J. Timberwolves, Trevor G. Pelicans, Vince P. Knicks, Mako T. Thunder, Brian C. Magic, Fang T. Sixers, Kyle E. Suns, Marcus M. Blazers, Kareem T. Kings, J. M. Spurs, Brooke F. Raptors, Brooke F. Jazz, Joshua C. And Wizards, Brooke F. Brooke went crazy on this break. Took half of the teams. Good luck to you. Hopefully we can pull you some fire tonight. Oh, Brooke F is you, Braver? All right. Gotcha, man. Hell, you went crazy on this one. Really appreciate it. And as well, that goes to all of you. Really appreciate you all for participating in this break. Got 10 blasters ahead of us. And yeah, hopefully we all eat. Let's all be happy. Let's all have a good break, and let's get this going. Right off the rip, all rookies will be sleeved, and all hits will be sleeved and top loaded. I'm not going to be doing any of that myself. I'm going to be passing the cards right here to my brother who's on the left of me, and he's going to be taking care of that so I can get the break running. But yeah, nonetheless, everything's going to be getting taken care of right away. And yeah, let's get this going, guys. Good luck to everyone. Starting off with the first blaster right here. Super excited to open up this product. Love me some Prizm basketball. Don't do breaks. You went big for sure, man. Hey, super thankful though, man. Appreciate you. Let's get you some fire here. All right, let's get it going, guys. First pack of the night. Okay. See a silver coming up. We're starting off right here with a Dort. Duncan Robinson. Devin Vassell. Rookie to the Spurs. Silver emergent insert. And Alonzo Ball for the Pelicans in the back. See some purple. Royce O'Neal. Robert Woodart, the second to the Kings. Not the king we're looking for, but we'll get him. We got a Bam Adebayo. And a Rudy Gay, purple. Yeah, that select break was fire, man. Yeah, I like to do big breaks. I mean, I called it out, and everybody said they wanted to see more of the bigger breaks instead of the smaller. I agree. I think the more the merrier. Got a Jarrett Culver in the back. Emmanuel Quickly, instant impact. Nice hit for the Knicks. And a Dwayne Wade to the Heat.
Go from the front. Go from the front.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
Because now it's the way.
Yeah, I'm so used. It's just I got the trigger. Rudy Gay in the front. DeJounte Murray. Uh-oh. Come on. Let's not start off with a troll. Oh, no, Grant Riller. Not who we're looking for, but still a rookie to the Hornets. And the green is going to be a Michael Porter Jr. Green Prizm to the Nuggets. Welcome, Fang. Got that little pump fake. Got the mem right here, so I'm going to save that for last. Jackson Hayes. Nice Giannis right there. Going to the Bucks. OG going to the Raptors. Silver, come on. Anthony Davis. Nice Silver Davis going to the Lakers. That's to Fang T. How's it going, Jeff? Thank you for joining us. Blake Griffin in the front. Nick Richards. At least I didn't slow roll that one. Come on, we'll get him. David Robinson. So with these USA cards, they'll be going to the team they were last with. So, and here we have a patch of Thomas Bryant. That's going to the Wizards. Let's get to the second blaster right here. How's it going, Hal? Welcome. And I get some stuff on the board, man. What are you guys feeling? Call out your teams, who we're looking for. Nice Jameis Ramsey going to the Sacramento Kings, and that's to JM. Contavious going to the Lakers. And an Anthony Davis green. Lakers. I feel like I got the mem right there. Put that. Sixers, let's go. Wesley Matthews. Bobby Portis. Sekou Doumbouya. Pistons. And her silver. That's a silver Joker. Nice Joker right there to the Nuggets. Nuggets are going to Brooke F. Jaren Jackson Jr. Come on. LaMelo Ball!
Hell yeah.
There's your first LaMelo Ball. Hornets going to Kayla K. Nice. Instant Impact. Onyeka. And Gary Harris to the Nuggets. Here's our first base Mello. Kayla joining in right in the nick of time to catch her Mello live in action. Wasn't able to catch the game tonight. How'd he do? You got Ricky Rubio. Going to the back, we have a Devontae Graham. And a purple is going to be a Troy Brown Jr. going to the Wizards. Patrick Beverly. We have a rookie. Nice Tyrell Terry going to the Mavs. Mavs getting on the board. And an RJ Hampton emergent going to the Nuggets. Tim Duncan in the back. I used to be a huge Tim Duncan fan. Back in the nice era when Manu Ginobili and Tony Parker. Great time. Great time to be a Spurs fan. Steven Adams to start us off on our last pack right there. Going to the back to a Victor Oladipo. Emergent Jaden McDaniels. Not the Timberwolf we're looking for. And our mem's going to be a Andrew Wiggins to Golden State Warriors. There you go, Golden State. We got 7 blasters left after this one. Starting off all right. Dwight Howard. DeMar DeRozan. Dante to the Bucks. And her green is going to be Duncan Robinson to the Miami Heat. We got a mem right here. Hit that Mellow by accident. There you go. Love to see that Mellow Prizm. Nicely centered too. Come on. Don't fight me right now, Pack. All right. I'd rather be slow with it than mess up the cards. Got a rookie right here. James Wiseman. There you go, Golden State Warriors. There's your first James Wiseman. That's going to Brooke. My boy right here, Braver. Going to the back to a Patty Mills. And our silver is going to be Jarrett Allen, Brooklyn Nets. Jordan Poole. Darius Garland. Paul George. Anna Simmons going to the Blazers. Trailblazers. Let's get those top rookies going. Come on. PJ Washington. Have another rookie. CJ Ellaby. Portland Trailblazers. There's your first CJ. Going to the back to a Kevin Durant in that iconic pose. You guys think he needs a new? You guys think he needs a new pose? New card. Purple is going to be a Spencer going to the Nets. Take care of this one right here. This or map? Yeah. How's it going, Sion? Welcome. Got a Miles Turner. Zeke Naj. Nnaji Nuggets. And DeAndre Hunter. That pose lame. Yeah, the wingspan pose, right? That'd be kind of nice. Got a Andrew Wiggins. Let's go to the back to a Robert Covington. Emergent Jalen Smith. Phoenix Suns getting on the board, and that's going to Marcus M. Our mem's going to be a Jaren Jackson Jr. Memphis Grizzlies. Grizzlies are going to Ryan T. Let's push these right here. After this one right here, we'll have 6 left. Come on. Let's bring out the heat. Jared Allen. Andre Drummond. Tyus Jones. And a Bruce Brown going to the Pistons. That's your green Prizm right there. No, not the actual heat. Heat in all teams. Got a rookie. Daniel Otoru. Nice rookie right there for the LA Clippers. Going to the back to a Robert Williams. And our silver is going to be a Mo Bamba. Orlando Magic. Orlando Magic going to my boy Fang T. J.J. Redick, C.J. McCollum, James Harden dominance, and a Frank Kaminsky going to the Suns. Joel Embiid. Got another rookie right here. That's going to be a Nico Mannion. Golden State. Going to the back to Eric Bledsoe. Come on, let's start pulling some rookies in these. Got a Memphis Grizzly, Dylan Brooks. Start getting some rookies in those. Frank the Tank. There he is. Mike Conley. Got a Tyler Hero. Nice second-year hero. Miami Heat. Onyeka going to the Hawks. Rookie emergent. And an Aaron Holiday in the back. Malik Beasley. Malcolm Brogdon in the back. Let's go into the Pacers. Here we go. Rui Hachimura. Sophomore stars. Nice card right there to the Wizards. And their mem is going to be Karl Anthony Towns to the Timber. Is this their second Karl Anthony Towns mem?
No.
Oh, damn. I thought we pulled another one right now. But there's a Timberwolves Karl Anthony Towns. Yeah, numbered Prizm rookies. Let's get it. Where they at? Bring them out. Bring them out. Pulling some heat here. Let me fix my chair real quick. This little tab always stays up there. Al Horford. Nice Bogdan to the Kings in the back. Got a rookie right here. Skylar Mays to the Hawks. Hawks getting on the board. And our green is a Torrey Craig. Drinking up. Kendrick Nunn. Nikola to the Magic right there. Come on, let's get a rookie. Oh, come on. Donovan Mitchell. Utah Jazz. That's to Joshua C. Front. Got a rookie right here. Killian Hayes. Detroit Pistons. That's to Isaac L. Followed by Kobe White. Sophomore stars. And a Donovan Mitchell in the back. Aaron Gordon, Langston Galloway, Elfrid Payton, and our purple is going to be Derrick Jones Jr. to the Miami Heat. Josh Jackson, Nice Tyler Bay to Dallas Mavericks. Mavericks getting on the board. That's to Stephen P. And a Kemba Walker. Dominance for the Celtics. And TJ Warren in the back. Yeah, lots of Miami Heat. Get to our mem right here. Let's get an auto. Nice Emmanuel in the front. Eric Gordon in the back. Sadiq Bey instant impact. Detroit Pistons. And our mem is an Aaron Gordon to the Orlando Magic. Nice blue patch right there. Getting to our 6th blaster. Whoa, this one's weird. There we go. That one's not. I didn't feel a mem right here, so come on. Are we getting some ink? It's time to see some. It's time to see some ink. Prince. Malachi Flynn to the Raptors. Nick Richards. No. No way. At least I didn't slow roll it. Landry in the back, going to the Clippers. Should I put this in the back? That's usually where the mem is. Dennis Rodman. Chicago Bulls. Jake Layman. John Wall to the Wizards. And Korkmaz to the 76ers. Silver. Jamal Murray. Rodney Hood. There's that card. That's sick looking. I like it. Pascal Siakam. And a Paul George. Duncan Robinson, another Miami Heat. Got a rookie right here. Saban Lee to the Pistons. That's going to Isaac L. And an Eric Pascal. Golden State Warriors. Purple is going to be a rookie. Finally, we see some rookie. Let's go big. James Wiseman purple. James Wiseman purple. Going to the Golden State Warriors. Nice hit right there. Bam Adebayo. Magic Johnson to the Lakers. Emmanuel Quickly. Green Emergent going to the New York Knicks. And a John Collins in the back. Nice purple Wiseman right there. All right. Let's get an auto in here. It's time to see some ink. Noel to the Thunder. Davis Bertans in the back. Clyde Drexler, USA. No. Got the Panini points.
Should we? Are we gonna do a random for those at the end or what?
Dang, I should have slow rolled it. Just get a little random going on.
Yeah.
All right. Fourth to last blaster. I think I caught it because I wanted to randomize it. Got robbed right there. Yeah, man. Oh, I hate to see it. Carmelo Anthony. Got a rookie right here. And that's going to be your first ant right there going to the Minnesota Timberwolves. That's to Trevor G. There you go, man. Karl Anthony Towns Green. And Paul Millsap to the Denver Nuggets. See that real quick. Cam Reddish to start us off. Evan Fournier. Otto Porter Jr., Chicago Bulls silver. And a Terry Rozier. Jordan Nora, rookie to the Milwaukee Bucks. That's followed by Isaiah Stewart and a J.J. Barea in the back. Taurean Prince. Bradley Beal, Kawhi Leonard Silver, LA Clippers, and a Landry Shamet. Oh, I hate getting robbed like that. Hate to see it. Nerlens Noel. Malachi Flynn, there's your second Malachi Flynn going to the Toronto Raptors. Another Jalen Smith emergent. And a Davis Burtness. These rookies right here. Yeah, this is a mem in here. Come on, let's at least get a big mem. James Harden in the front. Jeff Green, Houston Rockets. Anthony Davis, USA. And our mem is a Terran Ross to the Orlando Magic. Orlando Magic picking up the second mem of the night. Got those right there too. Third to last blaster. Let's get it. Well, we got the packs all over the place here. Thomas to the Bulls. Nice Tyrell Terry. There's your second Tyrell Terry going to the Mavs. We have rookie and IC blue. That's promising. Come on, man. Come on. Devontae Graham. Oh, I hate to see it. That's the mem. Terrence Davis. Christian Wood. Eric Pascal. And a Clay Thompson. Who? Pass you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you. Here, let me get that for you. There you go. Josh Okugi. Here we go. We have another rookie right here. That's a Josh Green going to Dallas Mavericks. Dallas Mavericks bring out the rookies. Nice Udoka going to the Jazz, Emergent, and a Joe Harris. Here you go. Rookies are here. Cash Money Riller. Frank in the front. Derrick Rose. Am I seeing right? That's like... Is that how this card is? Like with like an opaque. See, like if you compare it.
Mm-hmm. I've never seen it before.
Yeah, I haven't seen that before. Let me know, is that how that is? It's weird. Silver right here. It's going to be a Maxi Kleber. And a Kobe White, second year in the back. Going to the Bulls. Come on. Heat up, come on. Mitchell Robinson. Got another rookie right here. Patrick Williams to the Chicago Bulls. Here you go, Bulls. Followed by a Steph Curry dominance. Golden State Warriors. And a Danilo to the Thunder. Rookie right here. Come on, let's get something big. Tim Duncan in the back. Nice. Aaron rookie to the Celtics. Instant impact. And our mem is a Jamal Murray going to the Denver Nuggets. Jamal Murray coming out. There we go right there.
Yep.
Put this back. All right, second to last blaster, guys. And we get a green Pulsar rookie. Man, we need to see one. Here we go. Marquise Chris. Rookie Trey Jones, San Antonio Spurs. Did him wrong, outlined the face. There's your green. See a green on green. Nice. Aaron to the Boston Celtics. Sweet color match right there. Aaron Nesmith. And a Tim Hardaway Jr. Hassan Whiteside. Rui Hachimura, second year. Eric Gordon. And a Terrence Ross. My best break pool. They had to be that Hurts, huh? Yeah, I pulled the Jalen Hurts auto to 50 from Select a few days ago. Yeah, that's a pretty sick card right there. Shaquille O'Neal to the Lakers. Nice silver instant impact. Tyrese Maxey going to the 76ers. Sweet looking card right there. And a Reggie Bullock. Here, grab these. Yeah, Jalen Hurts. Damian Lillard. Kenyon Martin Jr., Houston Rockets. Yeah, let's make it a new best. Come on. Josh Okogie silver. And a Kevin Porter Jr. Nice Kenyon Martin Jr. DeAndre Jordan. Wendell Carter Jr. KD USA. And a Zach Collins. Matisse Thybulle in the front. Going to the back to a Thomas Bryant. And a Jason Tatum dominance. Big fan of Tatum. Our mem is Andre Miller going to the Timberwolves. Last blaster, guys. Now that I have you guys here, I want to thank you all for joining the break. I've had a hell of a time, and really do appreciate you guys' your guys' support. Yeah, man, let's get it. Let's get something big right here. Come on. Come on, let's end it off with a bang. Okay. Fight me, little pack. Wow, that one's stuck. All right, there we go. Jeff Green. James Harden. Bismack Biyombo to the Hornets. Silver. And Avery Bradley going to LA. Come on, Prizm, let's go. Terry Rozier. Cam Reddish. Another Jason Tatum dominance. And a Precious Ochoa. Miami Heat. Here you go, Heat. JJ Barea. Juan Hernan Gomez. Bam Adebayo Silver. Is that her second Adebayo Silver? And a Devin Vassell, San Antonio Spurs. There you go, San Antonio. Landry Schmidt. Prince to the Nets. KD USA. And a Caleb Martin to the Hornets. I usually like to run breaks on the weekends. It's when I have a little bit more time. So, yeah, just stay tuned to my eBay, guys. Should be posting some stuff throughout the week. But got a Jordan Clarkson's green going to the Jazz. And a Harry Giles. Yeah, I have a lot of Prizm. So, should be doing some more Prizm breaks in the near future. Last pack. Starting off the last pack with a Paul Millsap. Going to the backs to a rookie. That's an OB Toppin. Couldn't leave without pulling an OB Toppin to the New York Knicks. Nice card right there. That's going to Mako. James Wiseman. Emergent. And our mem is an Elton Brand to the 76ers. Nice red patch right there. You guys want to see more blasters? Yeah, I have quite a bit of blasters. Have a pretty big lot. So if you guys want to see blasters, I'll be putting more blasters up then. But yeah, nonetheless, guys, I'm gonna do a quick
We'll do the.
I'm gonna do a quick random off for the Panini points.
Just have them choose like a number so you can.
Yeah.
I already have the list ready there.
So here, let me zoom in a little bit to that. If you guys want to stick around for this, I'm trying to get a good angle on it. All right. So, yeah, pick a. How do you do it?
Yeah, I was trying to find the dice, but just have them pick a number.
And then you just click it right here?
Yeah, and then just do it as many times as.
All right, so yeah, just pick any number and then from like 1 through 10. And yeah, first number I see, I'll hit us if you have any hanger. Yeah, I have a lot of hangers too, man. Have a lot of Prizm hangers, so yeah, I'll be putting up Prizm for sure. Gonna keep it going. 6, that's the first number I see. That's the first I mean, that's how many times we'll see it.
So number 1 will take the Panini points.
Yeah, the number 1 person up here will take the Panini points. So we're going.
That's 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See 5 times right there. Going to Fang T.
Oh, wait.
Wait, no. No, this is wrong.
Why did it change?
It changed up, huh? Wait,
yeah.
Hold on. This is had a little malfunction here, and this changed to
football.
To football.
Go back.
Let me see. What happened? All right, guys, this is our first time doing this, so our bad. That's for football, yeah, man. It won't let me go back. Maybe one more. Yeah, there.
So just paste it?
Yeah, there we go.
Oh,
well, no, wait, no, that's that term football.
Go to the notes, because that's where I had it, where I had sent the list.
All right, give me a quick second. Here. Oh, God. Yeah, thank you. You had it for a second, bro, but I don't know what's going on here. This is our first time ever doing one of those random things. I wasn't expecting to pull Panini points, but my fault, guys. I should have been ready, but here, we'll get it. We'll get it figured out real quick for you guys. From
Go to the notes.
Over here.
Go from there.
Yeah. Hold on, let me go over here. All right. copy.
Nice. Put it in a note.
Yeah. Let's make a new one.
Second to last. Yep. No, it was the one below that.
Okay. All right, guys. Technical difficulties here, but we'll get it figured out. He's already working on it, so our fault. Thank you guys for being patient. But yeah, nonetheless, some hits of the night. What was that?
It's just those.
Okay, yeah. We got James Wiseman right here. Bass. Nice. Ant. Bass. James Wiseman, purple. Look at that card. Fire. And of course, glad to see him here. LaMelo Ball to Charlotte Hornets. Okay, let me see. We'll bring this up right here. Let me see. All right. So we had seen 6 first. We'll go with 6 again. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5 right there. LA Clippers, Justin R. You grab those Panini points, man. We'll throw them in your package. But aside from that, that should be it, guys. We appreciate you guys tuning in and, of course, for participating in the break. Stay tuned on my eBay page. I'll be putting up some more Prizm if that's what you guys are looking to get into. And, yeah, nonetheless, I appreciate all of you very much. Enjoy the rest of your night. I know for some of you it's very late, so I appreciate you guys sticking around. Thank you to all. Peace out.